There's a Chinese laundryman, the famous Mr. Wu. He's chucked his limehouse laundry shop and his window cleaning too. He's got another job, and it's one of the best. Now he's doing his bit for England like the rest. And Mr. Wu is now an air raid warden, and don't he look cute in his new siren suit? He goes round every night to make the blackout sure. So if you've got a chink in your window, hey, you'll have another one at your door. His headquarters, explain, are down by Lover's Lane, and he goes there every evening anyhow. He'll flash his torch into the dark, and the girls all come at their laundry mark, 'cause Mr. Wu's an air raid warden now. One night while on his beat, a couple he did meet. They were cuddling in the shelter anyhow. He said the all clear's gone, you see, and the chap said, boy, you're telling me, 'cause Mr. Wu's an air raid warden now. One way in, one day was helping him to move a time bomb from their shop, I vow. But it went off bang and there's no doubt, one way in flew one way out, and Mr. Wu's no air raid warden now. Oh, Mr. Wu is now an air raid warden, and don't he look cute in his new siren suit? He goes round every night to make the blackout sure. So if you've got a chink in your window, hey, you'll have another one at your door. A firebomb dropped one day, so close to him they say, that he deserves a medal, they all vow. But that's what you don't understand. He put the fire out, but he didn't use stand, 'cause Mr. Wu's an air raid warden now.